foods to reduce high cholesterol. The following foods helps to reduce cholesterol. 1. Nuts. The chunky goodness of nuts like walnuts, almond and pistachios have long been associated with bringing down bad cholesterol. These nuts have a low glycemic index, are naturally cholesterol-free, and are a source of protein, fiber and antioxidants, which makes them the best bet for good heart health too. 2. Olive oil. The Mediterranean wonder has taken the health circuit by storm, and for a good reason. Heart-healthy and abundantly loaded with good fats, extra virgin olive oil can tackle the spike in bad cholesterol levels. 3. Whole grains. Ditch refined carbs and go for whole grain foods. Wheat bran, cereals, and brown rice are low in glycemic index and packed with heart-healthy fiber. 4. Avocado. Avocados can do wonders for your lipid profiling and keeping your cholesterol levels in control. A source of good fat, avocado can easily be swapped for all your fat-laden foods. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like and subscribe.